So
Awesome, awesome. Now I gotta ask you, employees or contractors?
Look, this for all my boss babes. Go do your boss thing. Loving how you boss babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss babes. Go do your boss thing.
Which one do you have in your company?
So I am 100%, well, not 100%, but anyone who works directly for me for a janitorial service is a W-2 employee. So I've been strictly W-2. I don't think that there's a bad or good way to, I don't think either one of them is better or worse than the other. There's pros and cons to both. But for me, being the control freak that I am, and that, I've always wanted to provide really good quality and have things done a certain way so that I can control costs and control outcomes the best to at least to the most of my ability. Being able to do that with W-2 employees just made the most sense to me. And so, of course, I see all the benefits of having the W-9, to having contractors as well. They bring them on, they do the job. You don't have to tell them nothing. Ideally, it gets done and you're on to the next. Boss fam, really quick, shout out to everyone who's been reaching out to me and let me know that you've been filling up your calendar and booking walkthroughs and making more money in your cleaning business using the cold sales template that I put out earlier this month. No one is happier for you than me. If you don't have a cold sales system in your commercial cleaning business, then this is a great resource for you. The link is in the description under cold call sales template. There's some bonus information that comes with it about how you can start thinking about automating this system as well. At a heavy discount for the first 100 users. Go check it out. The link is in the description. Let's get back to the video.
But I think there are some things that you may contract out, right?
Yeah, that's absolutely. So at this point in my business, we do contract some stuff out.
Name some things that you would contract out, like flooring, windows.
So no, we do floors ourselves. Windows, I definitely contract out. I tell the story on my YouTube channel. In the if you actually go back to the very beginning of my YouTube channel, I documented my entire journey. So everything that I've ever done in my cleaning business, I've filmed and I've put on YouTube as I was getting clients and as I was getting started and trying to find places to live and places to put my business. But everything is on there. But I've always told the story of that in a post-construction cleaning job, I was trying to get out a window to this roof to clean the exterior window of this roof. There was a ladder and stuff, but it was just easier to come out from the window. But it started raining. It got windy. My foot slipped while a gust of wind was blowing, and my whole life flashed before my eyes. And I got so upset that I was like, we are never doing windows. We don't clean windows. I don't care at all. I really do not care. We do not clean windows. And so it became like, a thing in my business. Like, we clean everything, we don't touch the windows though. So for probably 4 years of my business, we didn't touch a single window. So that is one of the services that we definitely contract out now, is window cleaning. But now it opens up our business to be able to do high rises and stuff like that. So but yeah, the windows are definitely contracted out.
In commercial.
Yes, we are strictly commercial.
Commercial buildings.
Your potential clients have no clue how big your business is or what it looks like on the inside. What they know is what you present to them. So if you are just presenting that same typical estimate sheet or quote sheet, then you're not going to stand out very much. If you want a more professional way to present your business, I created a template for proposals that you can download and customize and use it for yourself. And I guarantee you that you will have a lot more success. It'll show your potential customers that you actually care and you put some time into what you're presenting and how you're presenting your business. Download the proposal template. It's absolutely free. There's a link in the description labeled proposal template. Click that. It's of extreme value. Even if you don't use my template, at least you get to see how I'm doing proposals and be able to create one for yourself. And even doing that, I think is going to give you a much higher success rate. So download the proposal template in the link in the description.
Hey guys, it's Devontae from Las Vegas, Nevada. I just want to say DJ's consultation is 100% worth it. Any question you may have, he's going to answer all of that and more. He helped me get this whole process started. I don't think I could have did it without him, and I'm glad I have a mentor figure in my life. It's honestly a blessing to be able to have DJ on your side. If there's anything I could say, book that consultation. DJ is going to get you right.
I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you. My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry. For me, you're going to get tailored guidance while you work with me one-on-one while I come up with a custom plan for you and your business. You'll get industry insights while you benefit from my years of experience in the commercial cleaning industry. I share my best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead. You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do. This is going to save you time and money. When you encounter obstacles or uncertainty, I'll be there with solutions to help you make informed decisions. I can keep you on track and remain motivated with regular coaching sessions to help you focus on your business goals. Click the link in the description below to book a one-on-one session with me, and we can help get your business to the next level.